A very warm welcome to all my viewers of Tasty Treats right here. Hope you've all been doing great. There are many varieties of chicken biryani and chicken pulao. Today's recipe is a tasty twist to the traditional chicken biryani and is a quick recipe requiring fewer ingredients. So today presenting chicken pulao. So before beginning with the recipe, let me remind you that if you'd want to see more delectable cooking recipes from me, you can always subscribe to my channel, Tasty Treats, right here. Share it with friends for a delightful potluck or otherwise. Let me know in the comment section how was the recipe. We'll start off with the marination of the chicken. Onto 2 tablespoons of curd, I'll be putting a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste along with 1 teaspoon of chicken masala, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mixing it well, I'll pour this marination and a tablespoon of vinegar onto 600 grams of chicken and marinate it for an hour. Onto a thick bottomed vessel, I'll pour 3 tablespoons of oil and roast the whole spices like jeera, sauf or fennel seeds and pounded cardamom and bay leaf. Once aromatic, add the sliced onions and green chili and saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Add in the chopped garlic. Now add in the washed rice and saute for 3 minutes on medium to low heat. Now add in a teaspoon of chili powder and 1.5 teaspoons of chicken masala. You can also add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder to get the delicious red color and aroma. Give it a good mix and saute for another 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. Add in a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. After a minute, add in the marinated chicken and mix well with the rice. After 2 minutes, add in the tomato and 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder and mix well. Since I added 2 cups of basmati rice, I'm going to add double this amount of water onto it. Add 2 teaspoons salt. Also add a teaspoon of chaat masala, but this is optional. Once the water starts boiling, we'll cover it with a lid and cook till the water completely evaporates. Garnish with the dry fruits of your choice. This is an amazingly tasty and quick recipe for those lazy weekend afternoons when you don't want to do a lot of cooking and chopping and just want to eat good food and enjoy with your family watching a beautiful movie at home. So here's a quick cooking tip. While cooking any kind of meat, use a teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice in the marination. This helps with the faster absorption of spices and tenderizes the meat faster.